Yes. How to calculate the total points you have scored in your KJSEA performance. So we have the subject code here, ranging from 901 to 912. Then we have the subjects English, Swahili, all the way to pre-technicals, and this is the performance level. If your text came saying EE, remember EE1 means 8 points. So this is 8 points. EE2, this is 7, this is 8, this is 8, this is 7, this is 8, this is 8, this is 7, and this is 7. So if you want to know your total points, you just add them. So take 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That is 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. Then you have the sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 times 4, 28. So 40 plus 28, you get 68. So this learner has scored 68 out of the possible 72. So this learner obviously is going to a national school, eh? Yeah, because the cut point for the national school, although it's not fixed, eh? Yeah, it's 63. So if you have scored 63, thank God. You're going to a national school. Now, somebody was asking, what are these? Arts and Sports pathway 60.124, STEM pathway 63.1192, Social Sciences pathways 62.148. This is what it means. These are your pathway performance. So NEC has picked your performance from the subjects which are related to arts and sports pathway. Then they have calculated it for you out of 100. So this is 60%, 60.124%. So it is also going to give them the strength to see your strength. So you can see this person is not going to receive a letter saying arts and sports. This person is very strong here. This is 63.192. This is 62. So this person is going to receive a letter, the school selection, showing what? The STEM, that this learner is going to receive STEM as the school selection. So now listen. Another thing we need to know is that maybe this learner chose a pathway indicating arts and sports. But now there will be a change. So we are expecting changes, you people. Why? Because according to the performance, this learner should do STEM. This is 63.192. So as you continue waiting for the letters that are coming for you, remember there are going to be changes according to your performance.